Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to download a PDF from ChatGPT. This is useful when we want to save generated content, like notes or documents, for offline use. On your ChatGPT dashboard, we are already inside ChatGPT here. To download a PDF, we will start by entering a prompt. For example, we will type, "Make me a cover letter for a job application in a PDF file." Now we will wait for ChatGPT to generate the content. Some details will appear, like a job title, company skills, and contact information. You can see that ChatGPT is now analyzing our request. Let's wait for it to finish. Once it is done, we can see the option to download the cover letter as a PDF. We just need to click to download the file, and it will save to our computer. As we can see, it is now saved as a PDF file. And that is how we download a PDF from ChatGPT.